Hi, this is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency that specializes in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more business. And I was doing a keyword search for your niche in Charleston. This is the most popular search term to find pest control in Charleston. And typically there's some ads up here, but this is the first page that pops up on Google. And this is what they call the map section. Then you get down into the organic rankings. This first one actually is a business directory. Here's a competitor you probably recognize, another business directory, competitor. And you probably know that 80% of all new searches choose one of those top three search results. So 80% of the new businesses go into these companies. And if you're like most businesses, you would like to be on page one and get your portion of that. And I can show you a couple things you can do on your own to get there. And of course, we'd be glad to help you as well. But I went and looked, and I found you on page 4. And let's see where we found you, down here at exclusive pest control here. So I went to your website, looked at it. Colors look really nice, very friendly looking, welcoming, and good content on there. I love seeing the video. Google loves videos. So anyway, those are some good things about it. Some things you can do, or you may not know, that Google is all about trust. They want to trust a website because in order to rank it high, they've got to have a massive amount of trust in your site because they are in this for the end user experience. So think of yourself when you go and do a Google search for anything. You want to find what you're looking for in the first page when it comes up, and preferably in the top. And you want it to be accurate, and you want it to match what you're looking for, and you want it to be good, authoritative information. So same with websites of what people are looking for in Charleston pest control companies. So one of the ways Google knows whether to trust your site or not is by your title. And so we put your URL in, out comes your title tag and some other stuff that we use. But this is usually what goes on the blue line, which is called the title tag. And the black is your description. And Google likes to see the city name first and then the keyword, just as it is when people are searching for it. And so if you just made that one little change and put Charleston Pest Control and then a vertical line and then your company name after that, you've actually got 72 characters to play with. So if you made that, that would definitely give you a good boost in rankings. The other thing Google looks at in order to trust your site are your headings. Your headings signal to Google what you want to rank for. So you're telling Google that you want to rank for Charleston Pest Control Solutions, and that's all well and good, but people are searching for Charleston Pest Control companies. So again, in your headings, if you can make it congruent with what people are searching for, sorry, let me go to your site, and this looks really good here. We could tweak it just a little bit to align with exactly what people are searching for. Then you can always include some of this information. You can kind of rearrange things so that that's included. But hopefully those things help you out. You can make those changes yourself, or we'll be glad to help you with it. There's other things to get you to page one and make you stay there. Just let us know if we can help. Thanks, and have a good day.